I, Francis, take you, Valerie, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
I, Valerie, take you, Francis, to be my husband. I promise to be true to you, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I promise to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
Ibig sabihin, simula ngayon, sasamahan kayo ni Lord. Aalagaan kayo ni Lord. Tutulungan kayo ni Lord. Mamahalin kayo ni Lord. Sana you can say the same thing before you leave this church. Kami rin, Lord. Sasamahan ka namin, magpapatulong kami, magpapaalaga kami, at mahal na mahal ka rin namin, Lord.
I can still remember the day when I first saw you. That was 17 years ago. I can still remember the night when we exchanged I love you at our house. Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
And I, Father Alan de Guzman, a Dominican priest of Caloruega, Philippines, by the authority of the Church, calling on all those present here as witnesses, confirm and bless the bond of marriage which you have contracted, in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. It's your turn, Lord, to bless us. That is the story we want to see after this wedding.
Can I say you missed your eyes? Nothing more. What can a love song provide? Nothing more. Words are a lovely try for something more. And I wanna give to you, give to you more than a love song can give, more than a feeling like this, more than a dim light upon the path you walk, more than the words can explain, more than a falling rain, more than the sun shines upon your face. It's more than a love song.
Kaya, pagsikapan niyong gawin yun. Madali po na magkalaban at mag-away. Pero simula ngayon, hindi na kayo magkaaway. Give each other better memories and you will survive all those suffering, all those painful moments. Learn from it, grow from it. That is enduring suffering.
Bring me there, voices that left to sing something more than a gift to you, gift to you, more than a love song can give, more than a feeling like this, more than a dim light upon the path you walk, more than the words can explain, more than a falling rain, more than a sun shines upon a lovely face. When I look upon your face, it's beauty to me. And I look
Valerie, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Francis, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.